kay BND Dad. Shout out kayo boss, BND Dad. Kay boss, Bon Ali Tabayag. Shout out sa'yo. Sa misis ko na nanonood, shout out mo din. And of the first score, 19-29, 10-point lead para sa Blancas Santa Vista. Start of our second quarter. Same rotation para sa Blancas Santa Vista.
29-29. Lamang yung kumpirang po ng Santa Vista, mabigyan ng 10 puntos po dito. Okay po lang ng Canto Boys. Okay ka lang, number 12. Okay ka lang.
9 minutes and 57, Calamba against Manligues.
Okay, back to the Mr. Calamba, 15 seconds shot na. Okay, Calamba, looking to Mr. Dubo, number 24, 10 seconds shot na babayo.
Enrico, jumper, wala.
Hindi po ka sa mga pinto, ako po kami sa nila.
Block by Arnel. Grabe ito, Arnel. 3 blocks na ngayon. Manligues. Baila in the corner with a three. Foul on relasyon. Molina with 7 points, 5 rebounds and 3 blocks for Arnel. Grabe. Molina with 5 rebounds, 7 points, 1 3-pointer and also 3 blocks in just the second quarter para kay Molina. 19-29, 9 minutes in our second quarter. Baila with a knockout play. Galit na yung Manligues. Grabe. 31-19, 11-point na 12-point lead para sa Blancas Santa Vista. Bobo to the break. Baga. Jeremy Mahinay out of bounds. Bola pa rin para sa Canto Boys. 9 minutes and 10 seconds on the shot clock.
Last time to shoot.
Calamba inbound. Calamba for 3. In and out. Manligues with the rebound.
Okay, Manligues, come to the ball. We have 9 minutes and 59 seconds now. Okay,
Peralta. Arnel, jumper, short. Baila, wala.
Okay, balik ko na Rabia, Mr. Calamba po dito. Anong gagawin? Calamba na magpahal. Sumo agad, Mr. Calamba.
Calamba with a three, wala.
Net rebound, Mr. Calamba. Okay, Calamba po rin. And to shoot po tayo.
Good jumper.
Wala pa rin. Okay, back to shoot. Calamba, siya yung magdala ng kulang. Wala po. Okay, Calamba po, Mr. Calamba. Number 3 foul. Reset yung binigay.
Focus po, focus.
Isa coach. Arnel.
8 minutes and 22 score, 31-19. 12-point lead para sa Blancas Santa Vista. Calamba, 3 free throws. Para kay Dong Calamba, first free throw for Calamba. Good.
8 minutes and 22
31
seconds.
down to 11. Second free throw for Dong Calamba.
Yes,
Oh,
Mr. Calamba.
22-31. Babasap. Ay, 21-31. Third free throw for Calamba. 3 for 3 for Dong Calamba. 22-31. 9-point lead. Para sa Blancas Santa Vista with 8 minutes and 19. In our second quarter, Maga up top, running by Mahinay. Maga with a jumper. Easy jumper for main Maga. Calamba ngayon.
Calamba, nandito ng Mike Mouse, makabigyan ng kanto niya. Pinagay kami sa Mahinay.
Siya goal.
Okay, number 30, foul. And 2 shots, binigay kami sa Mahinay.
Last 8 minutes in our second quarter, score 22-33. 11-point lead para sa Blancas Santibista. Mahina with his 2 free throws. First free throw for Mahinay, good. Second free throw for Jeremy Mahinay. Mahinay, second free throw. One out goal for Jeremy Mahinay. 11-point lead para sa Blancas Santibista, 23-33. Santibista Blancas with the lead. Maga in the middle with a jumper. It's good. Back-to-back basket para kay Rainer Maga. 35-23. 12 ang lamang. Ay 13 ang lamang. Blancas. Ball. Oh, ano yung pinag-bola na? Doon na.
Okay, number 22, pushing foul. Third personal foul, jersey number 22.
Third personal foul para kay Jeremy Mahinay. Our score,
Okay, jersey number
35-23. 13-point lead para sa Blancas Santibista with 7 minutes and 32 in the second quarter. Matanggal na pa. 7 minutes and 32, 23-35.
Okay, balik pa tayo sa grupo ng Santibista. Okay,
Maga, Dr. Bekalapa. This match, Maga in the middle. And back-to-back basket para kay Rainer Maga. Maga is taking over in the second quarter. Jeremy attacking Gleister.
Okay. Number 3, holding substitution.
What's up? Go.
Okay, wonderful mix guys. Presenting Apoel. Ang coach po ng Santibista. Singapore sa naman ng biggest substitution. Sound.
23-37. Santibista Blancas up.
Makikita isang kaan sa ilalim. Wala pa rin. Okay naman na sa Manriquez na
Liga 7 minutes and 2 in the second. 7 minutes and 2 in the second quarter. Darrell kicks it out to Norris. Rodriguez. Back to Norris. To Rainer. Maga is fouled by Gobot. 2 free throws for Rainer Maga. 37-23.
Yes, number 34 foul.
14-point lead para sa Blancas Santibista. Maga ngayon. 2 free throws for Rainer Maga. Maga first free throw is good. Maga. 8 straight bucket para kay Rainer Maga. In the second quarter. 8-point surge para kay Rainer Maga. 6 minutes and 47, score 63-39. Blancas up top in the second quarter. Maga. Oy.
Okay, ito sa labas ito. Wala lang siya sa umaga.
6 minutes and 47, score 23-39. Blancas up top. Kalamba, tubukot. In the pass para kay Mahinay. Down guard with Gleister. Rainer with a big goal. He moves down low. 25-39. Blancas up ahead. Norris with the ball. Maga with a break. 11-point surge para kay Rainer Maga. In the second quarter, 11 points in the second quarter para kay Maga. Maga with the rebounds. Maga with 11 points, 3 rebounds. And also 1 block para kay Maga in just the second quarter. Dave up top, guarded by Arana with a floater. It's good. 25 to 44. Maga with 11 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 block para kay Rainer Maga in just the second quarter. 25-44. Still. Rodriguez, Baila, Maga, fake Maga, wala jump shot, wala. Rebound para kay Arana, wala pa rin. Kapeg, Steve, Maga, to Baila, wala. Baila, wala rebound. And 1 basket para kay Darrell Baila. 46 to 25, 21.3 para sa Santi Vista Blancas here in Mid-Sayap Championship game. Score 25 to 46, 21 ang lamang para sa Santi Vista Blancas. Maga with 11 points, 3 rebounds, and 1 block in just the second quarter. 11-point takeover surge para kay Rainer Maga. 2 free throws para kay Darrell Baila. 21-point lead para sa Santi Vista Blancas. With 5 minutes and 12 in our second quarter. 25 to 46 bonus free throw para kay Baila. 47 to 25. 22 ang lamang nitong Blancas Santi Vista. Baila, Maga, pick by Baila, Maga pa rin. Pass to Baila! Baila with his 5-point surge in a second. Baila and Maga taking over in the second quarter. Mahina with a 3. Rodriguez with rebound, 49-25. Para sa Blancas Santi Vista, 49 to 25. 24-point lead.
Yung 4 minutes at 36 guys, 25-49.
4 minutes and 13, score 25 to 49, 24. Ang laman itong Blancas Santi Vista.
Okay, 15 seconds shot lang po tayo. Binigay sa kaso naman 25. Okay, back to Mr. Mahina. Hindi ko rin Tatarong na naman yung nakakuha. Wow! Nakuha to master, Mr. Tatarong. Okay, 3 minutes and 52.
Time is in para sa Santi Vista Blancas. Robbie. Balik kay Arana. Arana fake. Arana drive. Arana wala jumper. Para kay Dave Arana. 51-25. 56. Alamang sa Blancas Santi Vista. Olegario. Turn over.
Okay, substitution. Talaga, ang ganda ng batas na sa kaburan po na
3 minutes and 33, score 25 to 51. 26-point lead para sa Blancas Santi Vista. Tarong. Tarong wala jumper. Palobong tira para kay Tarong wala. Olivario. Querido with a jumper, wala. Drive with a big rebound. Kulang ng isa. Drive to Chrysler. 53 to 25.
Okay, magbigyan sa Mr. Okay, Gumayo.
27 ang lamang para sa Blancas Santa Vista, 27.3
Give us a mahina.
para sa Santa Vista Blancas.
Let's
Kirin.
not to shoot. Rivera.
Oh, Legario, 1-3.
Last 2 minutes and 29 seconds. Okay, quickly, 53. Yung bobby score.
Narve,
Sabalik naman, 50 seconds yan pa. Okay,
Robbie.
Hindi makabigyan sa signal agad.
Matarong.
Seconds na baba.
Norris against Mahinay. Chrysler, wala. Turnover still. Mahinay in the middle. Mahinay. Still para kay Arana. Naive. Naive.
Ang Pilipinina magbigay number 9 in Ultimate Quirino. Okay, basket down, number 43 down.
30-53. 23-point lead. Para sa Blancas Santa Vista, Querido with his bonus free throw with 1 minute and 54 in the second quarter.
Bonus down, hindi pumasok yung tiro ni Quirino.
1 minute and 50 seconds. Robbie calling for a play. Naive. Scanto boys with us. Mike 1-3. Ocampo in the rebound.
Lost communication. Okay, time out!
30-53 with 1 minute and 31 in our second quarter. In the second quarter, 23 ang lamang para sa Santa Vista Blancas.
Okay, balik ko guys sa ating time out. We have 1 minute and 30 seconds natin. Okay, sa ating second quarter, 30 against 53. Sa Vista yan naman. Okay, Mr. Naive. Okay, number 50.
Naive up top. Naive kicks it out to Campos. Campos with a floater. Wala, rebound by Samonte. Samonte, drop pass.
5 to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
5 seconds on the shot clock. Samonte inbound. Rana. To Samonte. What a play. Para kay Dave.
1 minute and 1
Legario, guarded by Naive. 1 minute and 2 seconds. Seconds to play.
Okay.
Rino.
Wala pa rin. At about 25 pinasakay sa ere. Oh. Okay, number 12. Yes, it's a foul. And Ocampo. 2 shot. Okay, basta yung bulak mo natin. Substitution.
Dave.
Okay, stand here. Let Mr. Ocampo.
Campos second free throw score 55 to 30.
Last
25.3 para sa Blancas Santa
Okay,
Vista.
masuk yung tira ni Mr. Ocampo. 31-55.
31-55. 24.3 para sa Santa Vista Blancas. Warren. Vitoriano. Cross. Vitoriano kicks it out sa Monte.
That's 5 to 2.
Naive fake. 2 free throws for Robbie Naive.
Okay, number 69. Yes, foul. Yes, Lucian. Ang binigyan
Naive 2 free throws for the former St. Benil Blazer of the NCAA. Also former Rizal Centro Mall MPBL. Robbie Naive, second free throw for Robbie. Naive 2 out of 2 for Robbie Naive with 34 seconds remain in our second quarter, 31 to 57.
Okay, Benvenida, on the ball. Gusto tumira agad ang kabigyan, hindi pumasok. Pati mo, pala mo din sa atak quarter. Sir Naive na po yung play. Okay, Naive, back the race again ng yada number 9.
18 seconds remain.
Last 15.
Warren, guarded by Olegario. Pick ngayon para kay Campos.
Last
10 seconds remain. Vitoriano.
Last 5.
Ball out of bounds. Bola pa rin
4.2 seconds.
para sa Blanca Sandinista.
Last 4.2 seconds.
Campos naka-play.
Okay, dyan po na tatawag po kabigyan yung ating laro sa ating yung second quarter. Okay, score po natin 31 against 59. Okay, dapat na
31.
Okay, Maria. Honorable Mayor Robert Estrella sa Division 2 Cotabato Province.
Start of the third quarter, start of the second half. Our championship game here in Midsayap.
Okay, balik na ako.
Score 59-31. Santi Vista Blancas up ahead.
Wow. Okay, Mr. Tampos, number 14. Okay, Tampos, back to sa kandiyan. Yan ang pagpapalito. 15 seconds shot lang. Okay, tapos sa Vitoriano.
Vitoriano, guarded
10
by
seconds shot lang.
Santos. Vitoriano.
Hard to shoot.
Samonte. Ball by Lamusere. 59-31.
Number 2, Pusing Pound.
Posting foul. Posting foul. 59-31. Santi Vista Blancas up ahead.
Vitoriano, back to sa Tampos.
Tapos,
Time to shoot.
Vitoriano, 10 on the shot clocks. Warren, with a jumper, wala. Lamusere with a rebound. Oligario. Steal by Naive.
Okay, 9. Okay, that was the Kim. Okay, we got the number 9. Lisa Vitoriano, on the ball.
Warren.
Okay, 15 seconds shot na. Okay, Mr.
Shot.
Vitoriano. Pasayaw lang nakabigyan. Okay, Vitoriano. 10 seconds.
Samonte with a straight.
Hindi pumasok ang bit sa balik pa tayo sa unang po ng
9 minutes and 8. Oligario kicks it out to Calamba. Don Calamba. What a three, short. Rebound by Mike. 59-31. Blancas up ahead.
15 seconds shot na po tayo. Okay, balik tayo sa Vitoriano. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Warren with a three.
Vitoriano. Okay, hindi pumasok mga biyan. Real 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Okay, isa flip na din ang mga biyan.
Calamba, three, short.
Okay, look at the sir. Okay, plus light. Sir, okay, pakipatay lang po yung plus light po natin. Okay, 15 seconds shot lang. Okay, pakipatay lang po yung plus light po natin, sir. Yung naka-picture po yan. 9 to shoot. Yes, sir. 2 points. Leading by Mr. Naive.
Naive with a dose, 31-61, 30-point lead. Para sa Blanca Santi Vista, 30 ang lamang.
Okay,
30-point lead para sa Blanca Santi Vista.
Okay,
Oligario inbound.
Okay, back to Mr.
Calamba.
Calamba contra o opponent si Gancheta.
Calamba, Quiserato, Olicario, ahora otra vez, la Musere, offensive rebound.
Okay.
Lead is cut down to 28, 33, 61. 28-point lead. Para sa Blanca Santa
Okay,
Crista.
15 second shot na po tayo. Okay, Mr. Gancheta. Okay, back to Mr. Top of 40, 10 second shot na.
Ibe. With a three.
No. 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Olicario.
Okay, Mr. Prince, pinito number 19, okay.
Calamba with a three, short. Tapos, offensive rebound. What a nonchalant behind the back. Tapos,
Yan, makabigat sa balik mo na, Mr. Naive. Okay, Naive, pinito ka
Ay,
Mr. Gancheta.
underneath against
12 second
Quirino.
shot na po tayo. Last 10 to shoot.
Cañete. Nupul. Tampos,
5 to
3.
shoot. Okay, Mr. Prince, pinito, number 19. Okay. Okay, number 15, foul. Lucky substitution.
Backside 61-33, Blanca Santa Crista up ahead with 6 minutes and 52 in the third.
Okay, Santos Santos Services. Okay, Captain Secretariano. 15 seconds shot na. Look at the Guerrero. 14 seconds shot na kumain. Also, Santos number 14. Okay, that is the most relegation of the show. We have 6 minutes and 37 seconds. Okay, balik mo tayo ng tempo sa Samonte. 15 seconds shot na. Secretariano number 9. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Okay, we have 6 minutes and 22 seconds.
Six minutes and 22, 61 to 33. 28-point lead.
Okay, Mr. Bomba, number 25 years. Okay, Bomba, former Mr. Samonte. Okay, Bomba, Mr. Bomba, number 15 seconds shot na tayo. Okay, Carlos Alvin, number 69, Guerrero. 10 seconds shot na nasa labas ni Mr. Santos. Pinalipan ni Mr. Guerrero. Pinibrisyo kanya sa ilalim. Wow! He was with the Mr. Santos. Okay, sa marami, we have 6 minutes. Okay, 61-25. Okay, Mr. 90 will be a number, yeah. 90 number 15. Peanut Brother, 10 to shoot for 9, Mr. Naive! That is a new shot for the
64-35, 29-point. Para sa Santa Crista Blanca, sabay ka tinoide. Sere block. Koro ka sumonte.
Okay, now, pumasok doon si Mr. Puyos. Okay, one more planning. I'll go with it. Okay, we have 5 minutes and 25 seconds.
5 minutes and 35.
Okay, Pineda Maupian. Back to the number 25, Mr. Ocampo. 4 seconds shot na.
64-35. Hoyos.
Okay, look at the Guerrero. Sa ilalim, this is Aldo Sala. 8 to shoot. Wow! Okay, 5 minutes and 15 seconds to tayo. 64-35. Okay, 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Okay, Mr. Poyos, number 92, 10 seconds shot now. Time to shoot. Okay, di pumasok, number 25, Mr. Ocampo. Okay, 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Balik mo tayo, mauligan, Mr. Santos, libre na naman sa naman. Hindi pumasok si Pizzato na mauligan sa Samonte. Okay, here now, 1 minute and
64-35, 4 minutes and 43 in the third. By Pinoybe ang lamang para sa Santa Crista Blancas.
And the shoot.
Naive underneath. With a 2 points, 66-35. 31-point lead para sa Blanca Santa Crista.
Yes, it's a triple
Olicario with a three.
1 minute and 15 seconds. It's over 66
38 to 66.
Okay, Poyos number 92. Okay, Poyos, nandiyan agad makapit sa Mr. Lamosare. 10 seconds shot lang. 5 to shoot. Now, Poyos nakakuha ng bulag. Pinilang kami sa...
Sabon, Tetre!
Okay,
69-38. 31-point lead. Ocampo, offensive rebound.
Last minute is 38 seconds. Okay, Poyos number 92. He's gone to the ball.
3 minutes and 34.
Ang 14 seconds shot na. Mr. Poyos, anong gagawin? Okay, tinapurada. 10 seconds shot na. Mr. Canjime. Mark to shoot. No, sir. Umabot pa. Okay, balik mo na mabigas ang purang ng Canto Boys. Mr. Pintilita, number 19. Makabigat na yan.
Olegario block.
Okay, number 1. Okay, substitution. Okay, number 1.
69-40. 29.
Okay, 1 point, 1 minute.
Stop.
Free throw para kay Olegario. Paranaisin para kay Robbie Naive. 42-69.
Okay, Mr. Rupita. Okay, back to Mr. Angay. Labayna. 15 seconds shot na. Hanap na Mr. Murada dito. Mapilang kangin mo pa Mr. Bayna. Habitiwan na. Last 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
2 minutes and 54, 69, 42. Wala Santista up ahead. Olegario. Mahina. Uy, mainig.
14 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 41 seconds. Okay, take Grenada.
Oy! Alam niyo.
Offensive foul. Number 22.
Board.
Warning, number 22. And second foul.
Bye now.
69,
Last
42.
40 seconds.
2 minutes and 40.
Back to the Morada. Morada to number 30, Mr. Paila. Okay, 14 seconds shot now. Back to Mr. Malvita. Last time to shoot. 5 to shoot. No. Okay, balik naman sa Grenada. Makabigan. Last 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Okay, kita niya dito mabigan niya sa Ocampo. Back to the mabigan gusto pumasok. Pinagay ko sa Ocampo sa dito. Hindi pumasok.
69-44, Blanca Santista up ahead with 1 minute and 58 in the third quarter. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Norris.
That's 5 to shoot.
Norris against Mahina. Norris with a 3. Norris, Arana with a 3.
Okay, 1 minute and
72-44. 1 minute and 35. Mahina. Bad pass para kay Olegario. Nice ka, boy. 1 minute and 27, 72 to 44. 44-72. Poyos calling for a play. Handoff para kay Jordan Paila.
That's 1 to shoot.
Norris.
That's 5 to shoot.
Poyos with a three. What a three. Poyos. 7 minutes and 8 seconds. 75-44. 31-point lead.
Okay, Mr. Santos.
31-point lead para sa Blancas Santivista Santos. Grabe.
Number 43 fouls. Anti-foul. Substitution. Last 53.6 seconds. 75-44.
75-44, 53.6 seconds remain. Mahinay against Baela. Mahinay, wala 2 bars also. Mahinay, 4th personal foul warning.
Ospita, bisa Carrana. Hindi ka kami sa Ospita Mamian. Okay, Mr. Puyos. What's the ball? Okay, corner. Okay, 15 seconds shot ba? Last one to shoot.
Boyos, Norris.
Last one to shoot.
Norris with a bit of work. Norris with a Kobe-like move para kay Norris, 77-46.
Okay, Mr.
Foul on Boyos.
Okay, may ball.
Third team foul para sa Santivista Blanca. Second team foul also for the Canto Boys.
Warning for PNG na kumara po na sa Santivista. Stop natin sa Santos naman. 46, 21.9 seconds. 19 seconds shot clock.
Mahinay.
Okay, number 30, Violent. Peter P. Fraser. 16.7 seconds.
Isipin lang tayo. Yawa, doon mo lang po. Tupat pa dapat. Mahinay. First free throw wala.
Okay, hindi pumasok.
Para kay Jeremy Mahinay. Second free throw for Jeremy Mahinay. Wala, rebound by John. 10 seconds remain.
Round winning violation, last 7.2 seconds. Seconds. Last 5.
Campo.
Time.
77-46, 31-point lead para sa Blancas Santivista, end of our third quarter. Start of our fourth quarter.
Okay, two more round. Okay,
29-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas. Kubot with a threshold. Ay, lucky balls for Kubot. Full court pressure para sa Canto Boys. Boyos.
7:51. Okay, Mr. Puyos, number 92, he's on the ball. Okay, Puyos po dito mabit, hirong bulong agad. Okay, manapot tayo, number 43, 15 seconds shot na. Okay, Mr. Okay, may foul. Number 25, holding by Ocampo.
77-51.
Okay, Arana, looking to the foul, Mr.
26-point lead,
Puyos.
Dorem.
Okay, dito
Cross
po
drive, Murata, block para kay Mahinay.
Wow,
24-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas. Boyos.
Naman pa rin ang Santivista Pakabian. Sa balik pa tayo. Kay Mr. Puyos, number 92. 15 seconds shot na. Mr. Puyos. Okay, di na po natin.
Boyos.
12 seconds shot na.
Jumper para kay Boyos. 79-53, 26-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas.
Okay, tumara. 15 seconds shot na.
Bubot. Mahinay.
That's not the shoot.
Foul.
Okay.
Darrell Baela.
Okay, number 16 round, substitution. Manga number 23.
2 free throws for Jeremy Mahinay. 79-53. 26-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas. Look. 8 minutes and 47. 79 to 53. First free throw para kay Mahina short.
Okay, that's good. They're shooting Mr. Mahina.
79-53, second free throw for Mahinay. 0 out of 2 para kay Jeremy Mahinay.
8 minutes and 40 seconds.
Baila.
I'll give this a minor. Back to
Donor.
the number 11, 12 seconds shut down. Last time this year.
9 on the shot clock. Baila. Little finish alone. Double set rebound. Double set wala.
Laro na pinag-1 para. Okay, 8 minutes and pushing ang Bamaya. Siyempre pa na mabigat sa lugar pa ng Santa Vista.
79-55. 26 point para sa Blanca Santa Vista 26. Ang lamang para sa Blanca Santa Vista Neg. Arana. Baila 3. Wala.
Pumasok, ganda sa lumaraw. Okay na mag-trending. Lulong na mag-trending. Okay, substitution.
Ball turnover. Bola ngayon para sa Santa Vista Blancas.
7 minutes and 37 seconds.
7 minutes and 37 score, 79 to 55. Santa Vista Blancas up ahead. Poyos.
Okay, this is
Lumaraw.
number 92. Okay, Poyos.
Poyos.
Number 20. 15 seconds shot down. Okay,
Aga.
this is Maga number 23. 12 seconds shot down.
There on the shot
That's
clock.
time to shoot.
Maga with the
Time to
jumper.
shoot. No. Okay, Maga number 25. Fast to Marami sa Mahina.
Maniguez. Buena still.
Okay, Rodriguez. Rodriguez, looking to Mr. Maga. Maga to Kataro. Binigay sa ilalim ang kabiyan Mr.
Arana.
Minsan sa points na naman kabiyan sa Maga.
Oh, deflection para kay Maniguez. 81-55. 26 point lead para sa Santa Vista Blancas.
6 minutes and 58 seconds. Okay, Bravo. Looking to number 20.
Umaraw, it's a pass to Mahinay. Double team. Mahinay. Still.
Okay, Mr. Poyos, contra ball. Okay, Poyos po dito maubiyan. Hinintay yung kanyang kasama ng Panginoon. Galing na naman. Oh!
Trip. Ayos sugot na yung larip. Ayos sugot trip.
Number 22, Tim Nikay. Okay, ball out. Mr. Mahina. Okay.
81-55 with 6 minutes and 40. Technical free throw for Dave Arana. Dave Arana, first free throw. Jeremy Mahinay is out of the game.
6 minutes and 40 seconds.
Technical foul. 5 personal fouls for Jeremy Mahinay. 82 to 55.
Okay, Rodriguez. 10 seconds shot lang.
27 point lead para sa Santa Vista Blancas Poyos.
Time to
Kailang
shoot.
5 on the shot clock. Maga with a 3. Maga
3 points, the downtown shot.
marks the 30 point lead. 85-55. 30 ang lamang para sa Santa Vista Blancas. La Jose with a 3 short. 6 minutes and 12, 30 point lead para sa Santa Vista Blancas. Poyos. Ayaw may Kumaraw.
Last
30 ang lamang Poyos. Kicks it out to Manligas with a 3.
Pumasok ang BNB sa Cataro. Hindi pumasok na naman mga BNB sa Cataro. Still by Cataro. Last time to shoot.
Poyos.
Last five.
Rana with a 3. Short.
Okay, back on number 25. Okay, back to the set.
Okay.
Okay, opening violation, number 7. Son. Okay, 5 minutes and 35 seconds.
85-55. 30-point lead. Time remaining 5 minutes and 36 in our fourth and final quarter here in Mid-Sayap Championship game here against Katko
Okay,
Boys.
43.
Arana ay
56
natalo to Arana with a
Yes, sir, 2 points. Alright.
delay para kay Dave Arana 87-55. 92 ang lamang para sa Blanca Santivista. Short.
Okay, balik pa ang mga business mga nga. Okay, balik kami sa
Ligas.
Manligas. Air Lion ng Ligas.
What a reverse!
Wow! 2 points, Manligas. Okay, pansan po natin.
89-55, 34 ang lamang. Irido jumper. 4 minutes na ba? Taas pa, 4 minutes and 54. 56.
50 seconds of time. Okay, sa ating final and last quarter. Okay, 12 seconds shot na.
Karel.
Last time to shoot.
Maga.
Last 5
5 seconds. Maga 3. In and out.
Okay, back play na number 20.
Bumaraw.
Mr. Gomoro.
Look, Quirino.
Yes, sir, 2 points. 4 minutes and 21 seconds. 89-57.
89-57 Manligas. 89-57 Santivista Blancas up ahead. Labusere.
Number 9.
Where the dog.
2 points, number 9. Last 4 minutes and
89-59. 30-point lead para sa Santivista Blancas with 4 minutes remain in our fourth quarter. Fourth na ta.
Last time.
Maga, corner, with a 3.
Last point.
Wild shot para kay Maga. Manligas, another steal. Para kay Manligas po.
We have 3 minutes and 49 minutes siga po tayo. Yes, balik ko tayo si Manligas. 15 siga shot na po tayo. And to shoot. Time to shoot. Yes, sir. 2 points by Mr. Cataro. Okay. Okay, substitution.
91-59 with 3 minutes and 17 in our fourth quarter. 91 to 59.
Okay, the ball number 20. Okay, back to the move. 14 seconds shot na.
Ocampo, 3.
Yes, sir. It's a 3 points. Ocampo. Last 3 minutes.
3 minutes, Murada.
Last 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 12 seconds shot na. Last time to shoot.
Jordan with a 3.
No. Okay, rebound shot. Yes, Ocampo.
Still para kay Manligas.
Last 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes and 30 in our fourth 91-62 championship game here in Mid-Sayap. 91 to
Last 10 seconds
62.
shot na. 5 to shoot. Okay, now for the
Maraw. Lord.
Last 2 minutes. 14 to shoot. Okay, hindi pumasok. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Okay, Gomora.
50, Kumaraw.
That was the
Labusere.
number 2.
in 1 minute and 41, 91 to 66,
1 minute and
64, 91, 64. First champion para sa Blanca Santa Vista in 2026. Diriya sa
Last
Mitsayap.
time, second set lang.
Shout out to our bosses from
Last
Santa
time,
Vista,
for sure.
Devan Evangelio, from Blancas Golden Knights.
Yes, sir. 2 points. Last 1 minute and 30
Boss
seconds.
Rashid and also Madam Joe Indin, and also Ate Job Stadium Hall for our first championship champion here in Mid-Sayap in the year 2026. And also shout out to District Engineer Cass from Cotabato City. Also shout out to our sponsor Farmco Pharmacy from Cotabato City. And also to Boss Sajid Larim. Shout out po sa inyo, first championship of the Santa Vista Blancas karong 2026 diri sa Mid-Sayap. Ang pinakaunang champion.
Champion 2026 here at the Hospitality of Vincent. Congratulations. Award na po tayo mga bigyan sa ating prize. Tulad sa ating